So today I'm going to show you how to sign up for Drumo from my website. So let's get started. Okay, so we're going to click the link, whether it's in the TikTok bio or the YouTube bio. It's going to take you to the website, and here we're going to click on our first app that pays us money, and it's the Drumo. So you're going to click on the Drumo, and it's going to take you inside of the link. Here we're going to click the link again, and it's going to take us to where we can sign up for the Dremel. So you're going to put in your email address and create a password, and then we're going to register. I'm going to put my information in, and I'm going to blur it out, but just know that you just put an email address in and then you register. Once you've done that, then we should get in. Okay, so here we're going in. And here it's saying that I am now signed in. So I'm just gonna scroll through. I want to play games and offers, so I'm gonna click on the games and offers, because I mean you can do surveys, but like the game and offers, you definitely know that you'll be making money with that. So here it is saying that it's my choice. I click on that. I'm just gonna scroll up and down, because what I'm really looking for is where I can start downloading the games. But here I have to do a survey. I mean, it's 5 cents. So let's just complete this survey for the 5 cents to get started. So it's going to ask me for my birthday. I'm just going to put something in. It's really not my birthday. So let's just add a birthday, a year, pick a day, pick a month. And then the next, it's asking me for my age. Oh, yeah. So that age doesn't add up with the birthday that I select. So let's change that. Make sure it corresponds with the year that we're born, that we select that we're born. It's definitely not my age, but just for the sake of signing up, we'll just put something in. So basically, after you do the age, as soon as I could get this to work and correspond with the right age. Day 3, pick a month, any month, and then I'll just select the right age, which is 22. Then next, so here now it's asking me what's my sex, female, highest education, pick something, postal code, what industry am I working in, click something, and let's move on to the next question. Annual income of the company I work for, pick something. I mean, you can be honest if you want. Children, no children. Full time. Again, the same industry I picked before. Next. What is the position? Something simple, assistant or associate. How many employees? I have no idea, but I'm gonna say 101 to 500. Net income, I'll just put something 50-54. No, I'm not Hispanic or Spanish. Are you registered for? Yes. Next. What's your race? Black, African American. And there it is, guys. We just made 5 cents. Just like that. Okay, so now I'm looking for the part where I'm able to like download the games. So let me scroll to the bottom of here. Usually it's somewhere down here. Now, let me go in here. So whenever we play a game and we're able to cash out, that's where we go. So I'm looking, but I'm not finding it. I think I might have to download. Yeah, I think we might have to go download the app, and that will allow us to be able to Yeah, let's download the app. Okay, here I'm downloading the app. As soon as it's done, then we'll just put in our earlier sign-in information, and then I think it will now give us the option to play the games. Okay, so we're not registering, we're signing in because we already registered. Of course, I'm gonna block my information out again. Okay, so here I'm back at the surveys for you. As soon as this comes up, I'm gonna scroll to the bottom and see if I see the option for the games. Okay, here it is, play games and earn, try it. So when I click on here now, it's gonna show me the games that I'm allowed to play and how much it pays a minute. But first I have to go into my phone and change the settings that will allow my phone to use the data with Drumo. Okay, so I love Dice Dreams. Like, the deal with these games are like, fall in love with them, because then it means that you spend more time instead of them playing games, and it means that you'll get more money. The longer you play, the more money you get. So I'm gonna download this now and play for a little bit, and then I'm gonna come back and show you guys that, okay, I've been playing for 10 minutes, and once I reach $1, then we're gonna cash out, just to show you that you can cash out no matter what. I just think the minimum is $1, but you can make more money than that and cash out. But we're just gonna cash out at $1, just for me to show you that, listen, it works. All right, so here I'm coming out now. I'm gonna go back into Drumo to show you how much I made after playing for like 10 minutes. So let's open Drumo here. So I made 7 cents. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go back, make that 3 cents, and then I'll come back. Okay, so here I went and I made more money. It's now at $1.13, and I'm gonna cash out the dollar, just to show you that you can cash out at $1 or whatever amount it is. So here I am. I'm gonna look for the dollar to redeem the dollar here. So it says your reward. It means that I can redeem. So $1 I will redeem. All you have to do is put in your phone number, and then you save that. So I'm gonna put my number in. Of course, I'm gonna block it out. Okay, so my number is in and it's saved. So now I'm gonna go back and try to press redeem. So here, I know it's blocked out, but all you have to do is just put your PayPal information in again, your username for this. Once you put your PayPal information, then it will take you to PayPal, and you just sign in for your PayPal, and it will connect. Once it's connected, it will say connected. And then now we're going to go back to the dollar amount where we were at redeemed, and we're going to click back on the $1 PayPal card, and we're going to click redeem again. So when we click redeem, it's not going to ask us for any more information, because now our PayPal is connected. So all you have to do is connect your PayPal, and that $1 will go to your PayPal. It might take a few hours. No, yeah, it may take a few hours for the first time, but then after that, every time you check out, it will go. So here I just want to show you a little bit of how much I made just by playing on Drumo. And this is not consistent because I haven't really been able to just sit down and play like I would really like to because of work. So I tell myself, okay, I'm trying to make $10 a day, and it works.